When it comes to sleeping comfortably in the great outdoors, it's hard to go past a good quality swag, and the Dune 4 drive range from Anaconda ticks all the boxes for an affordable price tag. But before you use it for the first time, it's important to properly season your swag so it remains totally waterproof for many adventures to come. Thankfully, it's a really straightforward procedure that anyone can do at home, and I'll walk you through how to do it right now. Firstly, set up your Dune 4 drive swag in your front yard or anywhere near a water supply and remove the mattress. With the swag totally empty, grab your hose and gently wet it all over on a low setting, being sure to thoroughly wet every square inch of the canvas, including the seams. To make it easier to soak the material right next to the zippers, it's a good idea to use a spray bottle to gently wet the canvas in these areas. This wetting process causes the fibers to swell, sealing up any tiny holes that might be present in the fabric. Once the swag has been fully soaked, leave it set up somewhere nice and warm, preferably in the sun, to fully dry. Now, I've left the swag in the sun for a couple of hours and it is completely dry, so now I'm just going to repeat that procedure one more time to ensure the longest lasting results. After seasoning the swag for a second time, it's important to leave it set up in the sun for plenty of time to make sure it's fully dry before you pack it away. It's normal for a bit of moisture to get inside the swag during this process too, so once the outside is nice and dry, folding the canvas back helps the interior to dry faster. And just like that, we are done. The swag has been thoroughly wet down and left to dry twice, and it's now properly seasoned and ready for use. As you saw, that's a quick and easy procedure that anyone can do, and it should be the first thing you do whenever you buy a new swag to ensure it stays weatherproof for many adventures to come. To check out the full range of Dune 4 Drive swags, head into your local Anaconda store or see them on the Anaconda website.